Good day everyone, I am Henry A. Panoy Jr. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Barangay Balagtas, Matag, Oblate. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts about Senator Bato de la Rosa's proposal to impose the death penalties for plunder. This topic raises important moral and spiritual questions about justice, life, and our faith in God. Senator Bato de la Rosa's proposal to impose the death penalties for plunder seeks to stop corruption by creating fear of harsh punishment. However, allowing this law may not be the best solution. Corruption should indeed be punished, but life is scared, and justice should focus on rehabilitation and fairness rather than taking a life. It is not aligned with the value of forgiveness and redemption taught in the Bible. Instead, justice should be served through fair punishment and reform, not death. Written in Romans chapter 13 verse 4, "For the one is authority is God's servant for your good. But if you do wrong, be afraid. For rules do not bear the sword for no reason." And in Genesis chapter 9 verse 6 says, "Whoever shed the blood of man, by man shall his blood be shed. For the image of God has God made mankind." This means that each life are very important and no man has right to take it. These verses teach that while the government has the responsibility to punish wrongdoing, justice must be aligned with the God will, guided by fairness, mercy, and righteousness, not anger or revenge. The second one is I want to share my thoughts about the issue of the same-sex union in our country. Same-sex union raised the moral and spiritual question, especially for us Christians. We believe that everyone deserves respect, love, and freedom. Our faith teaches us to stand by the biblical truth that God created only the man and woman to be joined together in marriage.